Welcome on Brits Recipes. Today we are just making quick recipe of sandwich. For that we just take butter, 2 spoons of maida, black pepper powder, half spoon of salt, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, green capsicum, cabbage and corns. Green capsicum is main and corn is main. Red capsicum and yellow capsicum is optional. Then 1 glass of milk and bread. First we just take a kadai and switch on the flame. We just make this recipe on sim flame. We just add butter in it and melt it. When our butter is melted, we just add maida in it and mix it well. Just do our maida little bit goldenish brown. Just make white sauce of it. See, when our maida is like this, it's goldenish brown. Smells very nice. Then we add half milk in it and mix it well. Then we add half more milk in it and mix it well. We just make it in a sim flame. We should not leave it, otherwise lumps will become. Just move it in a single mixture like this. See, our white sauce mixture is ready. Then we add cabbage, green capsicum, corns, red pepper powder, green capsicum, yellow capsicum, and mix it well. We just take boiled corns. See, when our mixture is like this, then we add black pepper powder and salt according to the taste and mix it well. Then we add red chili corn flakes. Just here we take Domino's flakes, then Domino's organelle in it and mix it well. See, our white sauce mixture is ready. Then we just take bread, we just roast the bread, and then we just put our this mixture on it. It is ready. We just close it and leave it. Then we just take a toaster, just add slice of bread in it. When it is roast, then we put our mixture on it. See, we just roast the bread slice like this, and then we just add mixture on it. We just serve it like this. Our slice is ready to eat. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel Ritz Recipes. Thank you very much.